Hello everyone, how to use ChatGPT 4 in a free way. It's with expensive about $20 per month, but I show you 4 websites using ChatGPT 4 with the technology of API for allowing you to use it for free for just one time for a day or with some conditions. Okay, so follow me in this video to show you how to use ChatGPT 4 in a free way. These are the 4 websites which is linked to the OpenAI ChatGPT 4 using the API technology. So you have to use one of these 4 websites. Okay, so the first one is Ghost Together, the second is boo.com, and the third Hugging Face, with the fourth and last one Net. So go to the website, the Explorer, and the first one you have to register on it, and after you register on it, you will find this email for registration, and then verify this, and then you go to directly to the website. It's a semicolon, so this semicolon is linked to Ghost Together. So search here in the Ghost Together, but here we don't need to this, we need ChatGPT. So click here and select the ChatGPT 4 from here, and then because this needs some conditions, so temporarily check this if this is okay. So select it and start by chatting. You will find this blue here, there will be blue signal, and start chatting ChatGPT 4. This is the first website. The second website, which is the boo website, you will go to boo.com, and after you click boo.com, like this, enter, then select here your boots, and from your boots select the ChatGPT or the artificial intelligence which you need. One of them is the ChatGPT 4 here. Click on it and use it directly, okay? Or from here you can click and use it and use this ChatGPT. Write here your words or questions and ask, you will reply you. Sometimes it closed and needs money, but try it simultaneously in different times. The third one is the Hugging Face. So here we will delete all this and press enter, and after pressing enter, press space. You don't need to do any registration, just spaces. Click in spaces, and here you have many ChatGPTs, but here you can write or search for ChatGPT 4. Okay, and after you have to try one of these ChatGPT. I prefer the second one. Here also you could search for your articles or the questions you need its answers. Right here your question, okay, and run. The fourth one and the last one is the net, and it needs your mobile number. So you will enter your mobile number here, or register using Google. After you enter using Google or using your mobile number, you will be entered in the net, if there is any question, ask me and I will reply you in the comment, and I will put these links in the description. You can use them directly. Thanks for watching this. Here you have to enter the mobile number and the message SMS will send you to confirmation, and then continue. Okay, so if I entered my mobile number here, continue. You have to write export correct, and the revision you have to put it. Subscribe to the channel to reach every new video we upload, and by subscribing we are get more rank in the Google and YouTube. Thanks for watching this video.